Discover how you can save time, money, and energy with building automation from WAGO. Building automation doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. FlexROOM is the integrative building automation solution for the areas of lighting, heating, cooling, and sun protection. This complete solution includes all necessary electronic components and a complete software solution that matches them. There is no need for programming. Instead, you only have to set and record the desired parameters. Due to its simplicity and efficiency, you can adapt FlexROOM to new circumstances at any time. Even when you need to convert entire floors, you have an overview of all parameters and their daily usage due to the integrated software. Thus, you can use FlexROOM to save money, time, and energy over the entire year and still retain flexibility of use in your building. Our technical sales division has a suitable solution for your building on hand.